Hi, welcome to I2C chip. This short video shows you how to scan the I2C bus for slaves and how to check that devices are actually present on the bus and operating. Before we start, notice that we're using the latest version of RealTerm. You'll need a version greater than 67 at this point. In case you haven't noticed, pressing the F1 key will bring up help, and the latest version is available from here, the I2Cchip.com RealTerm directory. So check it out. The versions on the SourceForge website are only updated once every year or so. Alright, back to the topic in hand. We want to scan the bus. I've connected a number of chips together onto I2C bus number 1. Press the Scan Bus button. Where there is no chip present, an N is returned. Where a chip acknowledges its address, a K is returned. So here we have a chip on address 40, a chip acknowledging address 50, another one acknowledging address 90, and another chip acknowledging address A2 here. And that's correct, I've got 4 chips on the bus. Very simple. How is this done? RealTerm simply uses a standard feature of the BL233. Let's have a quick look at the datasheet. The control register has a number of flags. This is the key flag Show Acknowledge. When you set Show Acknowledge, it returns either a K or an N as each byte is written to the I2C. In our case, as we write the address byte, it will return a K if the chip acknowledges, and it will return an N if the chip does not acknowledge. So if you wanted to implement this from outside RealTerm, all you're going to need to do is to send start, let's send address 40 and we get a K. Let's try it for address 42. Sorry, we did that for address 41, which was a read, of course. Let's try it for address 42, where there's no chip, we get an N. It's very simple. This show acknowledge command is quite useful when we're debugging. Every byte written, we see the acknowledge. So let's write out to our PCF8574, we'll write out 2 data bytes. Alright, we've written out the address, 1, 2 data bytes. We've received an acknowledge from all of those. So it's very good for getting the chip going and establishing that we actually have something there. Of course, it's pretty annoying in normal operation, so you can turn it off. Thank you for listening.